Today we are looking at a beautifully restored Clipper office tester. In this video we're going to discuss this little seed cleaner and fire it up for you guys so you can see it run. One thing I absolutely love about these little cleaners is the ornate lettering on the sides here. They don't do that anymore. I think it's just beautiful and it really makes the unit pop. This unit comes complete with all of the attachments. A brand new end catch-all. This catches all of the light chaff or coals that are blown out of the blower fan. Comes with the feeder hopper as well. And it comes with the clean grain pan that is placed in the bottom of the unit to catch the clean product after it's ran through the cleaner. Here you can see the other side of the unit. We equipped this unit with this nice folding safety shield. This makes changing the fan speed easy and convenient. To fold down the guard and change the fan speed, you remove this wing nut. Alright, I've removed the wing nut. The guard just folds down and out of the way. This gives you easy access to the fan belt and allows you to change the airflow to the needs of your crop. You can get brand new screens for this unit from us or from A.T. Farrell. It accepts the new screens that they offer there. They just slide in here. It's just like the modern office testers that you can get from them today. Alright, we're going to fire the unit up for you now so you can see how well it runs. You can see it starts right up. The little 1/6 horsepower motor under there has plenty of power. Runs nice and smooth, nice and cool. There are no irregular noises. Just hums like a little sewing machine. Alright, we've flipped the unit around so you can see the unit running from the other side. You can see the little blower fan there. Now, as I said before, this unit takes new screens. You can get your screens from us or A.T. Farrell. I just love these little office testers. They're so ornate and pretty. It's just an all-around nice unit, ready to run and go to work for a long time.